Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this amazing logarithmic problem, that is log x with base 2 plus log x with base 3 equal 5, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. Many people makes it complicated or think it is complicated, but it is actually not. So let's solve this. So first, as per log rule, log x with base a, we can write it as log x over log a. So this becomes log x over log 2 plus log x over log 3 equal 5. Now if we take LCM, so it becomes log 2 times log 3, and here it is log x times log 3 plus log x times log 2 equal 5. Now, numerator will take out the common. So, this left hand side will become, if we take log x as common, log 3 plus log 2 over log 2 times log 3 equal 5. Now, as per log rule, log a times b is log a plus log b. So we can write our numerator as log x times log 3 plus log 2, log a times b. So it becomes log 6 over log 2 times log 3 equal 5. Now take this part to other side. So log x over log 2 equal 5 times log 3 over log 6 it's become. Now we can write this as log x with base 2 is equals to 5 times log 3 with base 6. Now as per log rule, log x times log x with base a is equals to c. So we can write x equal a power c. Now let's compare and write like this. So this becomes x only equal to, because here is base 2, power 5 log 3 with base 6. So this becomes 2 power 5 whole power log 3 with base 6. So x equal 2 power 5 is what? 32. 32 power log 3 with base 6. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.